myself Vijay Badodia, Study Point Inter College Karama, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain you question number 8 of exercise 7.1. Question is find the values of y for which the distance between the points p2, -3 and q10, y is 10 unit. Okay, distance between the points p and q. Suppose this is p and this is q. Distance between these points is given 10 unit. Okay, how we will solve this question? See, two points are given p, q. P, q. Distance is 10 units. 10 units. P point is 2, -3. P point is 2, -3, and Q point is 10, y. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay, so PQ equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole of square plus y1 minus y2 whole of square. PQ is 10 unit. PQ is 10 unit. So we will put 10. Okay, equal to under root your x1 is 2, x2 is 10, 2 minus 10 square plus y1 minus y2. y1 is -3 and y2 is y. y1 is -3 and y2 is y square. Okay, so 10 equal to 2 minus 10 minus 8 square plus -3 minus y whole square. -3 square will be 9, minus y square will be y square, and multiple of those two into 2 into -3 into minus y. 2 into -3 into minus y, because a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a is -3 and b is -5. So 10 equal to -8 square is 64 plus 9 plus y square plus 2 3s are 6 y. 10 equal to 64 plus 9 73 plus y square plus 6y is now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Its square is 10 square. Okay, here जब हम रूट पे स्क्वायर करेंगे तो रूट हट जाएगा. सो रूट हटने के बाद 73 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 6y. Okay, now 10 square is 100. 10 square is 100 equal to y square. Put y square first, then 6y plus 6y and plus 73. Okay, shift by 100 to that side, so here it is 0 equal to y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100. So 0 equal to y square plus 6y. 73 minus 100 is -27. Set those two sides. Okay, y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Now factorize this. Y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. Y, take common from these two, y plus 9 minus 3 y plus 9 equal to 0. First you should take a screenshot of this because I am going to erase this side. Okay, first you will take a screenshot of this, then I will erase this part. Okay, you should have to take because there is no sufficient place. Now see what will be the answer. It is y plus 9 and y minus 3 equal to 0. Put y plus 9 equal to 0, y plus 9 equal to 0, y equal to 0 minus 9, y equal to minus 9, y equal to minus 9. Put y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 0 plus 3, y equal to 3. These are the values of y. Okay, now our next question is question number, and I will not send you pic, so you will take a screenshot, then I will explain you next question. What is the next question? Next question is question number 9. Question 9 is, if q 0, 1 is equidistant from P 5, minus 3 and R x, 6. Find the values of x. Find the values of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. Also find the distance QR and PR. Okay. Q point, if Q is equidistant from P and R. Suppose this is the Q point, whose coordinates are 0, 1. This is the Q point. Whose coordinates are 0, 1. It is equidistant from P and R. P is 5, minus 3 and R is x, 6. Okay. P is equidistant from P and R. We have to find distances, and we have to find QR and PR. Okay, PR also. We have to find QR and PR also. Solution. First, find P. It is given that Q is equidistant from P and R. So PQ equal to QR. Okay. PQ. How we will find PQ? X1, mark this as X1, Y1, or mark this one as X1, Y1. Okay, and this one has x2 y2. So x1 minus x2, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 square plus y1 minus y2, 1 minus minus 3, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 whole square, qr. Now qr, now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, x2 y2, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2, 0 minus x, 0 minus x whole square plus y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 1 minus 6 whole square, 0 minus 5 square is 25 plus 1 plus 3 whole square is 16 equal to 0 minus x square is minus x square and it is plus x square plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 square is 25. Now squaring both sides, both sides roots will be cancelled out. Okay, on squaring roots will be cancelled out. So 25 plus 16, 40. 1 equal to x square plus 25. Shift the sides, x square plus 25 equal to 41. तो हम इस पूरी साइड बदल ले लेंगे इसको उधर, x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 41 माइनस 25, x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 16, x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 16, so x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 4, x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 4. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x values of x are plus minus 4. Also find the distance of QR and PR. You have to find in this question distance of QR and PR. Okay, PR and QR. You have to find the distance. QR we are having, QR is x square plus root 25. QR is root x square plus 25. QR equal to under root x square plus 25. Now we have to put value of x plus or minus 4. अगर हम प्लस 4 पुट करेंगे तब भी स्क्वायर में प्लस 16 आएगा, अगर माइनस पुट करेंगे तब भी प्लस 16 आएगा, इसलिए कुछ भी रख दीजिए प्लस ये माइनस 4, 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 25, क्यू आर इक्वल टू 16 प्लस 25, क्यू आर इक्वल टू रूट 41. आपका लास्ट बचा है पी आर फाइंड करने के लिए, पी आर. ओके, now take screenshot of this, then I will explain how you will find PR. Okay, take the screenshot of this. Okay, now how you will find PR? See, PR equal to PR. Mark this one as x1 y1, x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. PR equal to x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 minus x2, 5 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, because x1 minus x2 and y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 3, y2 is 6, but in the formula there is minus, so here it is minus. PR equal to 5 minus x. We have the value of x. X value is plus or minus 4. X is value is plus minus 4. We are having, so any value we can put. Okay. PR 5 minus अगर हम प्लस 4 पुट कर रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, चलिए पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं वरना क्वेश्चन आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. 5 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज 25 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab plus minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 square PR equal to 25 plus x square minus 10x plus 81 PR equal to 25 plus x square minus 10x 25 plus 81 it is 516 10 106 x square minus 10x PR equal to x square minus 10x plus 106. Okay, now you can put both on putting plus minus 4 you will get the values of PR. Okay, now thank you and have a good day for you.